As soon as I saw these sun rays, I've been so called to just share them with you. So please close your eyes and receive. We're still in this purification, purge. I want you to give it to God. I want you to give it to God. Everything you're releasing right now is your chance to make room for what it is that you want. Allow the process to happen. Give it to the universe. Give it. Don't resist this change. Arai koro mai. So birth, the new you. I'm keep hearing burst, explosions here, Nieta. I'm seeing the eye of a dragon over here. Okay, garina atsa uguru uma atsara iotara umbugu wasiata. Feel God entering your system through these frequencies, these sacred chants. Disintegrating who you are not anymore. Taking your fears and crushing them for the dark forces, for the negative energy not to penetrate your soul anymore, for you to be free, for you to be who you truly are. So Arreano da ka suno iyo so breaking the chains of the past, breaking with your past lives, breaking with the karmics, breaking with the repetitive patterns, breaking with everything that is not love, light, and truth, breaking with the false self, breaking with the matrix. Welcoming the 5D fully within yourself, liberating the true authentic self, resurrecting. I'm hearing so cool, so cool, so cool, no, so no, no, cool, no, so, no, suwataranasa, suwataranasa, koro wa asa no asa, koro wa asa niya niya, so what I just saw 555 on the timer, and this is massive changes coming. So I'm seeing literally in my mind's eye DNA strings. This is the activation that is taking place on your DNA. It's pure abundance light codes. Under the edigi ara anototo urukutu susundudu ua reyaka feeling abundant. I am literally with my wand, with my magic wand right now, entering your system to implement new way of thinking, the real you. Welcome your new self. Grounding, anchoring down in a deep bottom, deep bottom of Mother Gaia's heart space. Take a deep breath in and out. You're radiant. You're about to meet the radiance and radiant self. If you want to dig deeper, check my website 1010healingsolution.com. I am offering very powerful codes of light activation downloads for your soul, to activate your soul mission, to disintegrate everything that is not love, light, and truth, every traumas you might have from this lifetime, other lifetime. I want you to take your power back, because you have a big mission here to do. You're so beautiful. I love you, and until next time, namaste.